This is a compilation of grinding it out 2 long weekends of snakehead fishing.
Oh my goodness.
Prior to this summer, I've never even caught a snakehead.
Oh! Going crazy. GoPro, start recording. All right, man. I gotta get my net. Oh, it's a big one too. Got him. I netted him. Holy shit, I got him. Holy shit. Holy shit.
When I returned to the boat ramp, I noticed there was a big puddle of coolant, antifreeze, underneath the truck. Since I was towing both the boat and the kayak on this trip, I realized that I needed to repair the problem, which was a hole in the radiator. Fortunately, I located one at a local AutoZone. There is a leak right there. Stay tuned, this will only take a minute. Lots more snakehead fishing coming up.
And now I could go on my way.
Okay, now I'm back in the saddle.
Yeah. All right. All right. This is freaking awesome. I caught a snakehead on my own homemade lure. Awesome, baby. This lure is my homemade swim bait. Very happy with this one. Maybe my most happy one. Okay.
There was a lot of downtime between each catch, so I didn't always have the camera running.
Nice. Mr. Catfish. Another catfish. Very nice. Because it's a treble. Okay. the hell is it? It's a snakehead. Come here. Whew. The Stanley top toad got hit for the first time. GoPro, start recording. Got him. Got a nice one. GoPro, start recording. This is a dragon. This is a big one. Whatever it is, it ain't like the others. Oh my God. Monster. Oh no. Holy shit. Whew, this is a monster. Oh. Yeah. Okay.
This is the first snakehead I ever caught in my life. He wrapped around a log and snapped 30-pound braid, but I was able to still get him.
Okay. Is this thing running? Yeah. All right, finally got a snakehead. Not the way I wanted, but I'll take him any way I could get him. Oh my God, he is thick. Whoa, whoa. It's hard to hold him.
After my experience with this snakehead, I got snakehead fever, and that's when I really hit it hard and decided to grind it out. This has been a compilation of a lot of days fishing, 2 long weekends. And one of those weekends, believe it or not, I didn't catch a single fish. There was a lot of downtime between fish, and many times I switched between lures and live bait. It was a real grind, and I'll tell you, switching from a boat to fishing from a kayak really helped me a lot. Helped me access a lot of areas I could not get to with a boat. A lot of shallow spots. It was just more maneuverable and easier to get around with the kayak. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. I truly appreciate it. It helps me a lot. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And please don't be afraid to hit the thumbs up button. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.